Jai Sri Krishna. Let's start working on very important topic. If you want to be a business analyst in your future with the AI, AI/ML techniques, so let's start a discussion on the AI impact on future business analysis roles. How the AI will impact on the business analyst role, and if you want to be a business analyst in the AI in domain or the AI era. So you should know these skills, and this video is very helpful for you to be a business analyst in the AI/ML era. So let's start a discussion on that topics in detail. So the evolving landscape of business analysts with using the AI and ML techniques. So first, let's discuss on the what is a business analyst and what does exactly business analyst do in a traditional way. In a traditional definition, like a business analysis is a bridge between the business need and the technical solution. So where the business analyst will gather the business requirement or the functional requirement from or the non-functional requirement from the business team, and then convert them the technical requirement, or from the business requirement document, then prepare the functional specification document or the technical specification document to the technical team to explain that features. That kind of task will reduce, and more the tasks will increase in the AI/ML focus way. The core task for the business analyst in the traditional way is a requirement gathering, process modeling, data analysis, and stakeholder communication. But the range of AI, the working, the nature and the tasks of business analyst will get changes or get shifted from the AI is automated routine data intensive tasks. More the data interaction or data understanding tasks will increase the business analyst. It is not about the replacement but about the transformation and augmentations. The business analyst will transform and be adaptive for the AI/ML techniques in the upcoming AI/ML era. So AI role in modern business analyst. So how the modern business analyst will done in the modern area. So there is automation, mundane. Okay, so data collection and cleaning, reporting and visualization, and sentimental analysis done by the systems automatic, and that process will automate. So business analysts understand these projects and process, and AI can automate data wrangling, identifying inconsistency in the data and missing values in the large data set, and solving the valuable problems. So that's thing done by the business analyst, and BA should understand this process. The reporting and visualization, AI powered tool can generate the report and dashboard, which is a very interactive, very understandable, and even provide the real-time insight based on the natural language processing. So yeah, so BA will understand what the techniques like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning are fit on their domain knowledge. So BA should understand the functionality of the AI and ML techniques and the detailed understanding of domain knowledge, and there is a bridge that filled by the business analyst, and he or should do the sentiment analysis where he can do AI analyze the unstructured data like customer review, social media comment, and the public opinion, and identify the trend in that. So to do the analysis on that the data, or the analysis to analyze the meaningful insights that help to business the grow, and that helps to to satisfy the business problem or the business need. So that's the analytical thinking the business analyst should have. So let's move on the next topic, that is a shift in core competencies. So where the business analyst will think about what happened, to why did happen, and what will happen to next. So what happened, it's the past, but business analyst should work in the present and the future. Why did it happen, and what will happen the next, what thing will happen in the next if certain scenarios will happen. So there is the traditional focus is a requirement initiation, process mapping, and SQL queries. These are the traditional, but the future focus with the AI. So business analyst should interpreting the AI insight, scenario modeling, ethics, AI oversight. So you should think, the future, how the future will look like, how the future dashboard, how the future UI UX, how the data will flow, to feed the data to the models and that predict the accuracy to translating complex AI driven output into the actionable business strategies will increase the business growth and modeling the scenario modelings using the predictive analytics for forecasting outcomes and identify opportunities and risks in the data or in the models. So to analyze the predicting and forecasting outcome techniques to the future oriented and ethical AI oversight. So BA will ensure the AI models are fair, transparent, and complete, and regulations that will meet with the regulations. So business analyst will have the ethical and or insights on that side also. So let's discuss on the emerging role in the AI driven world. So what are the roles of business analysts in the AI driven world? So the BA should understand or again the new specialize for the business analyst techniques or the tool like AI business analyst. The role is there AI ethics and governor analyst, prompt engineer. So these are the role will combine the business analyst and understand all these things in detail. So focus on the strategic and application of AI for identifying the use cases to integrating AI and solutions to use the AI techniques, understand the AI and define the solutions to the problem, identify the business problem and to solve their problem with using the AI ML techniques. So that level of thinking the business analyst should AI business analyst should generate. And then AI ethics and governor analysis will ensure the AI models are built and user responsible, addressing and concern like a bias and data privacy. So data will privacy is the most important in that thing. The model will there is a n number of models in the AI and ML technique. So BA will help us what is the appropriate technique, why we are using this model, what are the give benefits we are getting this problem, where the model is feed, when this model is feed. So entire the process what and when the model is feeds, why he will should do the 5W and 1H analysis for the AI ML techniques to the process which currently working. So that level of thinking and the prompt engineer things. So the use the chat GPT or the Gemini or the co-pilots to get the insights and to get the knowledge more on the where the project he or she is working to understand and to write down the code, SQL code, and expert in scripting the efficient prompt and generative AI product high quality and relevant result for the business need to understand the business problem and do the solution for a search problem to the business. So let's move on the next slide. That is the required for the business analyst and it is an essential skill for the future business analyst. If you want to be a business analyst with AI event driven, so this skill you should have like the data literacy. You should understand the data, you should have the strategic thinking, emotional intelligence and the domain expert. It is and most important guys, whatever whichever domain you are working as a business analyst, you should be expert in that domain and you should understand this domain, all the prerequisites, all the words, everything. You should be a domain in domain expertise. So data literacy must be understand the data structure, quality, the basis of AI ML models. So and the basis of data, the BA should understand that data will fit into the supervised learning, semi supervised learning, deep learning, enforcement learning, unsupervised learning. So that the way of thinking in the data understanding the B how the data structure or the field types, what their data should consist, how much the length of that data, and the strategic thinking and the problem solving. So BA should have the 360-degree way thinking ability and the mind should work if there is a problem quickly. BA have the solution to that problem and to gain the ability to frame the complex problem and design solution with AI and helps to solve the problems and make the complex problem with the simple problem with using the AI ML techniques and emotional intelligence, the critical for building the report with the stakeholders and managing the changes and leading the human AI collaboration, upcoming the technology and the domain knowledge. It's an, I already explained, it's so very important. So deep understanding knowledge remain the paramount to provide the context in AI generation insights for the business analyst. So let's move on. The next slide is the challenges and opportunities for the business analyst in AI driven world. So the challenges are the job displacement or the data privacy and security ethical dilemma. So the job displacement is a routine repetitive tasks will be automated, and the acquiring the BA to upskills whichever the repetitive tasks which BA would perform same to same, that will be automated by the system with using the AI/ML techniques and required to upgrade the knowledge and skill set oriented to the AI/ML things and the data privacy and security. So new risks emerge with the collection and use of vast data set for the AI/ML models. AI/ML models are the hunger or the data monster. They require more data to do the predictions. So that's the data privacy, data security, to understand the advanced SQL knowledge, to grade in, to write down the SQL queries, to ethical dilemma, ensuring the AI outputs are unbiased and do not lead to discriminatory outcomes. So these are the challenges BA should understand, and the opportunities in the market. Once you are, in that AI driven the business analyst, increase the efficiency. AI free up the time for BA to focus on higher values and strategic work. So BA, the AI will give more time to business analysts to think beyond the out of box. So take deeper the insights. AI enable an analysis for massive data set, leading to more profound and accurate the in conclusions and innovation acceleration. BA can use AI to identify new market opportunities and competitive advantage. What are the new the requirements of the market, what the the market wants, to understand that thing and to understand the competitor product and software easy way, and to work on that point. So these are the challenges and opportunities so business analysts should have in the AIML thing. So let's discuss on the conclusion. Let's the future BA in the strategic partner. So how the AI role will look like in the future. So AI is not a replacing the business analyst role. So you should understand that you should need upgrade yourself. You should adopt your skills with the business analyst and AI, but it is not going to change you with other role, and it is evaluating the role. It is increase the more tasks and the the competencies in you. The future BA will more beyond the tactical tasks and become a strategic partner and leveraging AI as a powerful tool to drive the innovation and lead their organization forward. And the focus shifted from the manual data manipulation to insightful interpreting and ethical dilemma. So currently the dashboard size or the requirement gathering analysis design, all these things will get changes. The AI will use heavily, and you should be the domain knowledge and the AI knowledge you should have. AIML knowledge, AI technique, it is the must knowledge. If in this area you should have to be a AI and ML technique. So if you on these slides, if you have any questions and any open points which you want to understand, or you want what need to study, what need not to be study, it is also important what will not need not to be studied. So if you have any questions or open point, or if you want how to become a business analyst, so I'll be there for help you. And what are the course, or what are the study material you should pursue to be a business analyst, the AI driven the business analyst. So thank you so much guys for attending this seminar. If you like my video and my efforts, please do like and subscribe my channel, so that will motivate me to create more videos like you student, to be a business analyst in the AI and ML thing, or in the IT company, to get the better salary. So that's the my motivation. You are happy and I am happy. So please like and subscribe my channel. So that's motivate me to create more videos. Thank you so much.